Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we have to select one that we want to work on, and then in the editing menu we have to find the clip that we want to copy. We tap on the clip, and then in the bottom bar, if we scroll to the right, we find the copy icon. It's these little two squares. We tap on this and it automatically copies and then pastes the selected clip after the place where the original clip is. So here we have the clip duplicated. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.